Hi, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Vanessa, a pre-K teacher with more than 20 years of classroom teaching experience. And when I'm not here on YouTube, you can find me over on my popular early childhood blog, pre-kpages.com. I'll put a link for you below. At Pre-K Pages, I'm committed to helping teachers just like you teach better, save time, and live more. At Pre-K Pages, you'll find everything you need for creating a fun and engaging learning environment, lesson plans, and activities for your little learners. As an early childhood trainer, I've spoken to thousands of teachers in person across the U.S. at popular early childhood conferences like NAEYC, I Teach K, and Frog Street Splash. My hope is that through these videos, I can inspire you to be the amazing teacher that I know you are. Sound good? If so, just click on the big red subscribe button below, and every time I post a new video, you'll be notified by email. All right, that's all for now. Thanks for stopping by. Talk soon.